Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today the first thing we're going to do is move the washer and dryer and hook this drain up. So without further ado, let's get started now. Alright, so this is where I have to get this board out of here that looks like it's been caulked in place, and I just smashed the shit out of my pinky. So, not very good right now. The pain. Alright folks, I'm on the back side of the tub, and somehow I need to get that white pipe right here into here and a P-trap. So let me gather up some parts and see what I could do here. Alright folks, so here's what we got. We put a P-trap in so it goes down, swivels around, and then it's hard piped into this and compression booted with liquid Teflon. I just ran the tub for probably 5 minutes. I got no drips. So what I'm going to do is put the tub spout on so I could run the shower head and make sure I don't have any leaks in the wall with my shower head, and I could proceed forward. Alright folks, so I just put this shower head on temporarily. She wants her original one. I wanted to get all the water up and going before I started drywall, in case I had to pull a wall out or one of these panels out. So we got water. It's draining awesome. I had to switch this out with another one I had, because the one that came with the kit didn't want to screw on good. I didn't want to strip out my copper. So, with that up and running, let's go in the laundry room and take a look behind. Alright. Let's take a look. We got no drips, no leaks, nothing dripping from behind the wall. The drain seems to be going really good. And you can see up in there the back of the tub spout. I'm going to probably put some silicone on the back side of that just for shits and giggles. So, with my water up and running now, I am going to run to Lowe's, and I'm going to get some drywall mud and some drywall and some white trim molding, vinyl trim molding for around this window, some silicone caulk, and we'll be back at you in a moment. Alright folks, so I put some drywall and I went around and I taped all the way around. I'm going to put that toilet paper holder back in here. So this thing's up and running. I got vinyl trim molding to start on this window, and I might pull my table saw out and start ripping some pieces because I'm going to picture frame that thing. So that's where we're at for right now. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button. Choo choo.